want you to know that you don't have to wear cologne or pretend to be anything that you're not. Because I like you best when you're you. What's gotten into you?
It's a bad boy thing.
A surprise in back. Perhaps it can be of use?
Another Nia surprise? We
Got it. Who cares?
Whoa! Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt.
I know. I wish we had more time, but we never seem to get a break.